a direct and crucial acknowledgement of the period's passionate belief in erasing the boundaries between internal and external living. The selected furniture pieces are defined by their visual weightlessness and calculated scale. They are almost universally sleek, defined by acute angles, and elevated on delicate, frequently metallic, pin-style legs, which minimizes their perceived volume and encourages an unhindered flow of light and air throughout the space. Every single furnishing, spanning from the collapsible dining area to the built-in sitting storage unit, is designed for multifunctional utility, guaranteeing that the severely limited total floor area is exploited with near-perfect spatial economy. The implementation of invisible, highly flexible storage is faultlessly executed, integrating without a break behind sliding cabinet faces or beneath fixed seating, an essential requirement that perfectly upholds the treasured, visually harmonious clarity that was the hallmark of the era's revolutionary domestic ideals. In conclusion, this mobile microdwelling entirely fulfills the promise implicit in its mandate to be designed to impress, achieving a virtually perfect embodiment of mid-century style within the framework of a fully contemporary, nomadic lifestyle. Its deep-seated appeal originates from its successful orchestration of the playful, yet distinctively impactful design elements of the 1950s with the exacting, highly efficient engineering necessitated by life on the road. By maintaining an unwavering commitment to historical stylistic authenticity and superior construction quality, this tiny house establishes itself as an exceptionally sophisticated and profoundly memorable architectural statement. It serves as powerful, concrete evidence that a modern lifestyle dedicated to minimalism and constant motion can coexist spectacularly with an uncompromising enthusiasm for visually bold, historically significant design traditions. The initial moment of crossing the threshold initiates a sophisticated sensory transition that effortlessly transports the occupant or visitor into an environment of quiet confidence and lasting style, generating an immediate psychological resonance of stability and intimate familiarity, which is remarkable given the home's inherent mobility. This pervasive feeling of deep domesticity is fundamentally rooted in the judicious curation and seamless integration of natural, texturally rich materials. One is immediately impressed by the intentional layering of diverse wood species, most likely featuring the deep saturation of North American walnut or the clarity of pale white oak applied generously to the bespoke cabinetry. Interior partition elements and overhead planes components that collectively imbue the confined area with an overarching sense of organic serenity and sophisticated visual depth. The strategic design of the illumination system is pivotal to the overall mood, with fixtures frequently adopting understated sculptural profiles, such as spherical globe clusters, elegant brass hardware accents, or subtle linear recessed lights, which distribute warm, ambient light, intentionally avoiding any harsh glare to amplify the welcoming, residential atmosphere.